Hello guys, and welcome back to my Apple source for another useful video. So guys, in this video I am going to be showing you how to fix your purchase could not be completed. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some solution that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to make sure that there are enough funds in your Apple ID. So guys, add funds in your Apple ID if it is empty. So guys, the second solution to this problem is that delete your payment method and add it again. So guys, delete your previous payment method and then add it again. So guys, open settings on your iPhone, tap on your profile, and then again tap on payment and shipping. So guys, from here you will have to delete your previous payment method and then you will have to add it again in your iPhone. So guys, after this, the third solution to this problem is that you will have to check your payment history and then you will have to pay your all unpaid orders. So guys, go back and then again open your profile on your iPhone and then tap on media and purchases. So guys, from here you will have to tap on view account. So guys, scroll it below and tap on purchase history. So guys, from here you will have to make sure that all your previous payments have been paid. So guys, if your any unpaid order is remaining, you will have to pay it first and then try to fix this problem. So guys, after this, the third solution to this problem is that you will have to correctly select your country region. So guys, go back and then from here you will have to tap on country region. So guys, make it sure that you have selected the country or region correctly. Wait for some seconds. So guys, tap on change country or region. So guys, from here select your country or region correctly. So guys, after this, the next solution to this problem is that you will have to turn off VPN if it is connected on your iPhone. So guys, go back and then again open your settings and then scroll it below and tap on general and then scroll it below and then tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you will have to make it sure that no VPN is connected on your iPhone. So guys, make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your iPhone. So guys, after this, the other solution for this problem is that you will have to make it sure that you are using an updated version of iOS on your iPhone. So guys, open settings and then tap on general, tap on software update and make it sure that it is updated to the latest version. So guys, after this, go for the final solution, that is you will have to contact the Apple support. So open your browser like Safari, tap here for support.apple.com, select your device and then scroll it below. So guys, from here you will have to tap on get support. So guys, after this you can get any help from the Apple authorities. Hopefully they will help you fix this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.